Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by powering the camera and verifying its LED indicates ready. This ensures the unit booted. Next, install the CP Plus app and sign into your account so the device can register to your profile. While doing that, connect your phone to the same network the camera should join. Make sure you know the SSID and password. Once done, open the app, tap Add Device, and choose the correct model or QR scan option to start the pairing process. Now you configure connectivity. Select wired if Ethernet is available for reliability, otherwise choose Wi-Fi and enter the network details. Use 4 GHz when the camera does not support 5 GHz. Enter the SSID and password exactly because small typos cause failures. Then scan the camera QR code or manually enter the serial number into the app and submit. The app will provision the device on your account. Wait until the device. Finish by naming the camera and selecting resolution, frame rate, and a recording schedule so footage meets your needs. Then allow any firmware updates and immediately change the default admin password to secure access. Make sure push alerts and cloud or local storage options are configured. If pairing fails, try the key troubleshooting step. Restart the camera, phone, and router. Then re-attempt the QR scan within 2 minutes while the camera is in setup mode. This resolves most sync issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.